Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off IMAP Auto Expunge in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by logging into your account. Step 2. Look for the settings icon at the top and give it a click. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings to access the complete Gmail settings. Step 4. On the top menu, click on Forwarding and Pop IMAP to manage your email. Forwarding and IMAP settings. Step 5. Scroll down to the IMAP Access section and click on Auto Expunge Off to disable the automatic expunge feature. That's it. You've successfully turned off IMAP Auto Expunge in Gmail on your PC. This allows you to have more control over your email management and prevents emails from being permanently deleted when using IMAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Stay tuned for our next video.